Hey everyone, it's Mike here with How To Apps. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix Google Play Store not opening. It's fairly simple, so we'll just jump right into it. The first thing we want to do is go into our settings and press on Apps. We're going to scroll down and find Google Play Store and press on it once. And now we are going to press the Force Stop button on the bottom right and press OK. Now we will try to reopen the Google Play Store, and if it still does not open, we will press on Storage and then Clear Cache. From here, we will try to open the Google Play Store again. If it still does not open, we will go back to our main settings screen. We will scroll to the top and press Connections. Now we will toggle airplane mode on and then back off, and attempt to open the Google Play Store again. Another thing to look for when we are going through the list of apps is to make sure that Google Play Store does not say disabled. You can see here, for example, that GoPro Quik on mine shows auto disabled, and you do not see that next to Google Play Store. If it did say disabled next to your Google Play Store app, you would press on the Google Play Store. I'm going to use GoPro as an example. However, the steps would be the same. And you would press turn on in the center at the bottom of the screen. And then last case scenario, we can go back to the Google Play Store app settings and press clear data on the bottom left. And that's it. One of those options should have resolved the issue. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button below, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos.